Hello everyone, it's me Joycey. Today I'm going to teach you on how to download the song for free, the MP3 song to your mobile or any device that you want to download. So you can download it directly to your phone, to your library music, using only the website. You don't need the application from your Play Store. We just only to use the website from the Google. If you are interested to watch this a simple tutorial, you can follow my step in the Google Chrome, okay? So we are here now in the Google. I'm gonna show you the website that I use for downloading. As you can see the website here, the MP3 download official. Actually, this is my favorite website that I use for downloading for my music. So here it is. As you can see the dashboard here, you can notice the different language. So we have to translate first before we start. So we can find here the three dot, and we select the translate to English. Okay. So we are here now to enter a song. Example, we will search disco. So you can see the dashboard here. So you can see how many songs the result that you can choose anyone. So we will try one to click one. You can find here. You can see now here the dashboard that we select disco. If you decided, you can click download here the MP3. As you can notice again that the language is different. So we will try again to translate to English. And you can find here down the button to start to download. We will try to download another one, so we will select again this site, the MP3 scan. So here it is again, we translate English, and then this time we try disco. So we will try this, and then we select one. We will try to select another one to see the open the song. If you decided, you can click download. So first we have to translate again in English and download as much as you can, okay? So you can see the dashboard here and here the details. And you can see all the music that I download, and you try to open and to hear the music. Go our library music to check for the song. All So we are here now to enter a song. Example, love song. There are many websites, but this is my favorite website. It's actually, this is a very simple way I use many years, but this time it's different version that I used before. So you can see how many songs the result that you can choose anyone. So I try to click one. And let's see to open the song. You can play the song for you to hear it. So we will try one. So I try to click one, and let's see to open the song, and you can play the song for you to hear it. We have to translate again English, and if you decided, you can click download and to select again download. You can download as much as you can. Thank you for watching to my simple tutorial. I hope I can share you an easy way to please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share to your friends. Have a nice day to all.